Hello, I'm Ellen Waterston, and I'm going to be reading to you my poem, Looking for God in All the Wrong Places. Drifting in cyberspace, I trawl online for God, soon interneting a response to my Easter call. I teleport from Oregon's outback to inside St. Patrick's Cathedral in New York, where cassocked clergy moonwalk across a polished marble chancel. A bishop bows before a gilded altar, his steepled mitre teetering on his head. To warm up the virtual unseen, he regales with the tale of a parishioner getting too comfy with this new means of church access. If you can imagine this, she in her robe, lounging back against a pillow, sipping a Bloody Mary, watching me on TV. He found the anecdote funny, but the parable was on him. The vacant maple pews, the invisible Zoomers' muted mics, had no smile to crack. Bloody Mary, the only reference he made to the Virgin on this Easter Sunday, his coarseness left me feeling bleak, empty. Then of a sudden, he was all holy telepathic Catholic business, launched into a sermon about exactly that emptiness. The tomb of Jesus, city streets and parks, his and his cathedral, all must empty, he said, before it can be full. I'm not sure that's true. I sign off. No trace of renewal there. But I've since been luckier elsewhere, like in the wetlands this morning, the shocking cobalt of the western bluebird, the glittery rain song of tiny marsh wrens, mud-spitting barn swallows sand-castling a home under the eaves of the shed, the meadowlark's ode to joy heard for the first time this spring. Tonight, I join my neighbors. We kneel on the ground, spaced households apart, and make the sign of a heart out of pine cones at the entrance to our homes.